Okay, so in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to assess reliability. And I'm going to use the example that I have there. So we've measured body fat on day 1 and we've measured body fat on day 2. So notice the two columns here. I've got day 1, I got 12, day 2, I got 11, 8, 10, and so forth. So the numbers are not exactly the same, which has to do with measurement error. So not every time you measure somebody are you going to get the exact same number, but here we are trying to determine the reliability of our body composition test. So we're going to do exactly the same thing we did. We're going to go to analyze, we're going to go to correlate, we're going to go to bivariate, and I'm going to move my two variables over. Notice that this is a Pearson, and I'm just going to run data. Look here we have our data, and there is a significant correlation between day 1 and day 2. It's because my p-value is less than 0.05, and I've got a significant positive relationship here. So in essence, this is telling me I have a reliable measure because there's a significant relationship between the body fat that I get on day 1 and the body fat that I get on day 2. So that's a quick way to assess the reliability of a measure by using a correlation coefficient.